Children, welcome back again. How are you all doing at home? I hope all are keeping fine. Children, before starting the class, let's do some warm-up activity. Alright? Okay. Now, all of you close your eyes. Open. Close your eyes. Open. Now, rub your palm like this. Rub your palm. Okay. Now, keep it on your cheeks. Yes. How do you feel? You feel very warm, isn't it? It's very cold. During cold season, you can do that. Alright? Children, can you hear that sound? Who is making that sound? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. It is the hen. Yes, isn't it? The hen is making that sound. And now, children, I'm going to take you to the story land. And I'm going to tell you a story. Alright? And which story do you know? Can you guess the name of the story? Yes, children, it is The Little Hen. Alright? Are you all ready? I hope all of you are very excited to listen to the story. Yes? Alright, get ready then. In a farmhouse, there lived a hen along with her friends, the cat and the rat. One day, the little hen found some wheat grains on the ground. Yes? Can you see the wheat grains here? So what did the hen do with the wheat grains? The little hen asked his friends, "Who will help me sow the seeds?" Her friends replied, "Not me, not me." The hen said, "I will do it myself." The hen took the wheat grains and sowed the seeds. And after a few days, the plants grew tall. It was time for harvesting. The hen asked his friends, "Who will help me cut the wheat plant?" Her friends replied, "Not me, not me." Then the hen said, "Then I will do it myself." The hen cut the wheat plant all by herself. The hen asked his friends, "Who will help me take the wheat to the mill?" Her friends replied, "Not me, not me." Then the hen said, "I will do it myself." The hen took the wheat to the mill and ground into flour. Again, the hen came to her friends and asked them, "Who will help me bake the bun?" Her friends replied, "Not me, not me." Then the hen said, "Then I will do it myself." And what did the hen do? The hen baked the bun by herself. What did the hen bake? The hen baked the bun. Alright? Oh, the bun is ready. The little hen asked his friends, "Who will eat this bun?" And the friends shouted with joy, "I will, I will." They were shouting. The hen asked her friends, "Did you help me bake the bun? Did you help me?" "No, we did not help you. You did not help me, right? So, I will eat this bun all by myself. Yum, 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 yum. The hen finished the bun. Oh, we did not get the bun. Why didn't you give me the bun? Because you didn't help me in any work, right? You don't deserve to eat the bun. So, the hen's friends did not get the bun at all. Yes, because they did not help the hen. Children, what did you understand from the story? Yes, you must always help one another. Alright? It might be at your home or at school. You must help your friends at school. In the same way, you must help your parents at home. Alright? So, if you help others, you deserve something to get. Right? So, always learn to help others. Alright? Now, we'll learn a new color. Alright? Children, I have a song for you. Are you all ready to sing a song with me? Yes? Get ready. The board is white, the chalk is white, 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 white. My eyes are white, my teeth are white, 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 white. The crane is white, the snowman is white, 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 white. The rabbit is white, the dove is white, 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 white. The cat is white, the cloud is white, 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 white. The hen is white, the radish is white, 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 white. The salt is white, the sugar is white, the milk is white, 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 white. The cotton is white, the lily is white, 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 white. So children, can you see the things around me? So can you tell me the color of the things around me? Yes? Yes, it is white color. Yes? So you understood what white color is, isn't it, children? Now, can you find out some other objects in your home that is white in color? Alright? Yes. Now, let's do an activity. Children, are you ready for the activity? See, now what you have to do is, you have to cut a cloud like this. Ask your papa and mama to cut a cloud, and you have to stick it on a dark color paper, any dark color paper. Alright? Now, apply glue and you have to stick it. Okay? And now what you have to do is, you have to take cotton. Alright? Take cotton. Okay? And you have to stick it on the cloud. How do you stick it on the cloud? See? I'll apply glue on the cloud. Alright? See here, your cloud is ready. Yes. See here. Yes, you can do it at home with the help of your papa and mama. Alright children, did you enjoy the activity? How was the activity? Yes? Had fun? Yes, very good. Children, now it's rhyme time. Let's sing a rhyme. Are you all ready for the rhyme? Let's sing it together. You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, put your right hand in, shake it all about and do the boogie woogie. turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left hand in, shake it all about and do the woogie woogie. Turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. How was the rhyme, children? Did you enjoy the rhyme? Alright, you can learn this rhyme at home and sing it to your papa and mama. Alright, you can jump and dance. Yes, you'll have lots of fun singing the rhyme. Alright, now let's learn a new concept in maths. Alright, children, you have learned a rhyme just now, isn't it? And which was that rhyme? Yes, yes, very good. It was put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your left hand in, you put your left hand out. And children, now can you guess the topic? What are we going to learn now? Yes? Yes, it is left and right. Alright, today we are going to learn left and right. Children, do you know which is your right hand and which is your left hand? Yes? You don't know? Okay, I'm going to tell you. Alright? So, will you all give me a shake hand? Shake hand. So, tell me, children, which hand do you give your shake hand? Yes? Yes. You give a shake hand with your right hand. Yes? This is your right hand. Yes, children, this is your right hand. See? I'm waving my hand, right hand. Alright, and this hand is your left hand. Children, tell me, with which hand do you eat your food? Yes, show me your hand. Yes, this hand, right? You eat your food with this hand. And this hand is the right hand. Alright, and tell me, with which hand do you write? Do you hold a pencil or a chalk? See, with which hand do you hold your pencil or a chalk? See, this hand, right? You write with your right hand. Alright? You write with your right hand, isn't it? Yes. And this is your right hand. And this is your left hand. Children, see? This is your right hand. Can you see here? This is your right hand. And this is your left hand. Can you see here? This is your right hand and this is your left hand. Children, have a look at these pictures. Alright, can you see these pictures here? Yes, you have some pictures towards your right hand and some pictures towards your left hand. Now you have to tell me which picture is on the right hand side and which picture is on the left hand side. Alright? Okay. Now just look here. You have an apple here and a mango here. Now tell me which side is the mango and which side is the apple. Tell me. Yes. See, the mango is on the right side and the apple is on the left side. See here, this is left and this is right. Alright, the mango is on the right hand side, right side, and the apple is on the left side. Alright, and now see the second pictures here. See, there is a cat and a dog. Yes, can you tell me which is on the left side and which is on the right side? Tell me. Just see here. Which is your right hand and which is your left hand? Just see. Yes, tell me. This is your right hand, isn't it? And this is your left hand. So, the dog is on the right hand side. This is right side. Okay? And the cat is left side. Alright? This is right side and this is left side. Alright, and now look at the fish and the parrot over here. See, can you tell me which side is the parrot and which side is the fish? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. The parrot is on the right side. Yes, the parrot is on the right side. And the fish is on the left side. See, you have to just stand in front of the pictures and you have to stretch your hands like this. So this is right side and this is left side. Alright? Did you all get it? The parrot is on the right side and the fish is on the left side. Children, I have a few things in my hand. See, I have a chalk piece in one hand and I have a pencil in another hand. So now children, you have to tell me which object is there in my right hand and which object is there in my left hand. Alright, you have to tell me. So tell me children, tell me the name of the object in my right hand. Yes? Yes, very good. The chalk is in my, tell me, yes, right hand. See, this is right hand. Yes, the chalk is in my right hand. And what about the pencil? Pencil is in my left hand. Yes, chalk in my right hand and the pencil in my right hand. Yes, all right. Now, see, I have two things in my hand. Yes, one water bottle in one hand and a book in another hand. Yes, now tell me which object is in my right hand and which object is in my left hand. Tell me children. Yes, see, right hand and left hand. So which is in my right hand? Yes, water bottle. Water bottle is in my right hand. Yes, and I have a book in my left hand. All right. Hope you have understood left and right concept. Now children, we'll all do an activity. All right. Be ready for the activity. Children, are you all ready for the activity? Yes. Okay, we'll start. See, can you see the pictures on the board? See, you have a car and a fish, right? On either side of this line, you have car and a fish. Now, you have to tell me which color fish or which color car is on the right side. Alright, you have to name the color of the fish or the car which is on the right side. Can you tell me? Now tell me. See, hold your hand like this. Keep it like this. Now tell me, which color fish is on the right hand side? Yes, very good. It's a red color fish. Yes, a red color fish on the right side. Yes, very good. And now keep your hand like this. And now tell me which color car is on the right side. Yes? Yes, tell me. Yes, very good. A red car is on the right side. Yes. Alright, very good children. You're doing well. Yes. Children, I hope you understood the concept left and right. I hope you enjoyed the class. And children, that's all for today. Alright. See you all in the next class. Take care children. Bye.